Save your cream cheese frosting. Understanding and solving runniness.
Hello, baking enthusiasts. Today, we'll be discussing an issue that some of you might have encountered: runny cream cheese frosting. We know how frustrating it can be when your frosting just won't hold up, so we're here to help. We'll explain why this happens and how to prevent it in the future.
Why does my cream cheese frosting get runny?
In order to understand how to fix runny frosting, we first need to understand why it gets runny in the first place. 1. Ingredient temperature. If your butter and cream cheese aren't at the right temperature, they won't mix properly. They should be at room temperature, not too cold, not too warm. 2. Overmixing. Overmixing can cause your frosting to become too loose and runny. 3. Too much liquid. Adding too much liquid, like milk or cream, can make your frosting runny. 4. Quality of ingredients. Lower quality cream cheese or butter can contain more water, which can make your frosting runny.
How can I prevent my cream cheese frosting from becoming runny?
Now that we know what causes runny frosting, let's talk about how to prevent it. 1. Monitor ingredient temperature. Make sure your butter and cream cheese are at room temperature before you start mixing. But be careful. If they are too warm, they can become too soft and result in a runny frosting. 2. Don't overmix. Mix your frosting just until it's smooth and well combined. Overmixing can incorporate too much air and make it runny. 3. Control your liquid. Add your liquid a little at a time. Remember, you can always add more if needed, but you can't take it out once it's in. 4. Use quality ingredients. Try to use higher quality cream cheese and butter, as they tend to contain less water.
How can I fix runny cream cheese frosting?
So what do you do if your frosting is already runny? Don't worry, there are a few tricks you can try. 1. Add more powdered sugar. This can help thicken up the frosting. Be careful not to add too much, as it can make the frosting overly sweet. 2. Chill it. You can put the frosting in the refrigerator for a bit. The cold can help firm it up. 3. Start over. If all else fails, it might be best to start over, keeping in mind the tips we've discussed. We hope that this video has been helpful in solving your runny cream cheese frosting problem. Baking can be a science and an art, but with these tips, you should be able to create the perfect cream cheese frosting every time. Happy baking!